got some paint finally, and I'm going to do the rest of the painting now. Well, definitely looks better now. I think I'm going to get a brush, then just do a little bit of touch up on everything. Probably pull all the masking off around the openings for the fans, and then paint the edges around those. And then let it dry, and then we should have ourselves a finished server case, server rack, I should say. All right, I'm back for hopefully the last painting portion of the video, and just got tired of, as I was trying to peel off the still wet masking tape, getting paint all over my hands, so I decided to just grab a disposable glove. So now I'm going to peel off all the masking, and I'll go around and paint do the trim paint around all the openings. Well, it's certainly not going to win any awards, but I think it's pretty good. I think this looks pretty good. I am going to let this guy dry now, and then once it's dry, in hopefully about, I don't know, an hour or two, I will kind of come back for the final, hopefully the final video, and then I'll actually put the server in and connect all the remaining KVM hardware and figure out where I'm going to put it, connect it up to the network, and then make sure that I can actually get to it, get to the file server, and yeah, then once that's done, we'll call it a build. So, see you in a minute. Okay, here we go. This is the last video for the DIY server rack build. You can see it's all set up. It's running now. Got the fans are working just fine. Both sides there. Basically just the power cable and back, and an Ethernet cable that's running to connect over to the switch over here. As I said before, my desk space now, that's all freed up there, which is great. That's kind of what I was hoping for. And then just a quick look inside the server. So there it is. It's just a file server sitting there over on the left. I've got the KVM switch down there so that as soon as I get another machine, I can just pop it right in next to it, connect the KVM switch and power and Ethernet, and then I can swap between the two machines. Fans are going, switch is working just great over there on the left side. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with it. Like I said before, it's not going to win any awards. It's not going to win any beauty contests for sure, and it's probably not going to win any awards for, you know, originality or for outstanding engineering design. But overall, to have a DIY server rack that we can put servers in, keep them cool, keep them out of the way, and just need a power and Ethernet connection, a single power and Ethernet connection for all the machines inside of it, however many there end up being. That's great. That's great. That really kind of achieved all my goals. And I'm realizing now that the whole thing kind of looks like a Borg cube, or maybe like a washer or dryer. I'm not sure. I'm going to go with Borg cube because that just sounds cooler. So yeah, I think I'm going to officially name this the Borg cube server rack. If you liked the videos, please drop a comment. Anything else you'd like to see me work on in terms of, like, you know, DIY projects for, I don't know, maybe computer related, maybe just woodworking related, drop a comment and let me know. Thanks again for watching.